How to back up and restore device drivers in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Backing up and restoring device drivers in Windows is vital for maintaining system stability and ensuring seamless hardware functionality. Let's discuss how to do this on Windows 11 and 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. What are device drivers? Device drivers are specialized software that allow your computer's operating system to communicate with its hardware components. They act as translators, converting OS commands into signals that your hardware can understand. Without device drivers, your graphics card and other hardware may not function properly or at all. That's why it's essential to back them up so you can easily restore them after reinstalling Windows or when you experience hardware failures. How to prepare for driver backup and restore. Before initiating a backup, ensure you have a dedicated folder on a non-system drive to store your backup files. You should also keep an external storage device handy in case you need to transfer backups for a clean OS installation. Finally, confirm that you're logged in as an administrator. You must run all backup commands in an administrative command prompt or PowerShell session. How to back up device drivers on Windows 11 and 10. Now let's walk through how to back up device drivers using 3 different tools. To back up your device drivers using the Deployment Image Servicing and Management DISM tool, open the command prompt as an administrator and run the following command. To use the pnputil program, open an elevated command prompt and execute. To back up using the Export Windows driver, open PowerShell as an administrator and run. How to restore device drivers. To restore a specific device driver using the Device Manager, right-click Start and select Device Manager. Locate and right-click the driver you want to restore, then select Update. Click Browse My Computer for Drivers and choose your backup folder. Select Include Subfolders, then click Next. You can also restore all your device drivers using pnputil by opening Command Prompt and execute. This command will search your backup folder and its subfolders for backup drivers and install all the files it finds into your system. So there you have it. That's how you back up and restore device drivers on Windows 11 and 10. For more information, check out our official blog post on backing up and restoring device drivers linked in the description below.